What's the hurry? You've probably been gaining fat slowly over the past decade, maybe even more, and now suddenly you want to lose it all in the next month or two? Let me be real with you. It doesn't work like that. And most importantly, it doesn't feel good like that. Okay, let's say you find a coach who promises you 10 kilos in just a month. Sounds amazing, right? But let me ask you this. Does he tell you what happens after that month? Does he guarantee that the weight won't come back? Of course not. He can't, because that kind of coach is interested in selling you a get thin quick fantasy, not guiding you through a real transformation. What he won't tell you is the pain that comes with it. Let me spell it out for you. To lose 10 kilos in a month, you'll need to go in an extreme caloric deficit diet. If you're a woman, you might be told to eat just 800 calories a day. For a man, maybe 1200. And that's not all. Fat loss pills, endless cardio, and ridiculous workout plans. Maybe even hundreds of crunches a day, just to make you feel that you are burning belly fat. Spot reduction is a myth, you know that, right? No matter how many crunches you do, you can't choose where you lose fat. But let's say, for argument's sake, that you do lose 10 kilos in 1 month. You look in the mirror and what do you see? Dark circles under your eyes, loose skin around your arms and belly. Maybe you feel drained, pale, and maybe a bit hollow. Your friends congratulate you on your weight loss journey, but the ones who are honest with you, they'll tell you straight, you do not look healthy. If you have been on a weight loss journey before, I'm sure some of this resonates with you. Now let me offer you another way. As a certified holistic nutritionist, my goal isn't just weight loss. My focus is sustainable fat loss that respects your body, balances your hormones, and strengthens your gut health. If you were to work with me, I'll say this. Sure, we can aim to lose 10 kilos, but give it at least 3 to 4 months, maybe even longer. But know this, we are talking about fat loss, not weight loss. Weight comprises of many things like bone muscle, organ weight, and even water. After all, 60% of your body is water. Your rate of fat loss also depends on how long your body has been holding on to that fat. If someone like Ria has been overweight for over 10 years and someone like Julie gained her 10 kilos in the last 2, Julie will likely lose it faster. Why? Because her hormones are less resistant. Her body hasn't adapted to hold on to that fat as a protective measure. Other things matter too. Blood markers, lifestyle habits, stress levels, mindset, even your cultural food preferences. See, in holistic nutrition, we don't just count calories, we look at the whole you. Now let me give you 5 pillars that shape this slow fat loss strategy. And honestly, the word slow may not be even accurate, because if the fat stays off for good, then wasn't that actually the fastest route all along? Think about it. So the first pillar is a plant-forward diet that works with your goals and your cultural preferences. So here's what I tell my coaching clients when I give them a diet at the start. This diet is in beta. What this means is it's a starting point. We use your feedback and your progress to refine it further. You'll slowly discover meals you love, meals you can eat potentially for the rest of your life. Now consider this chart sent by one of my clients. First, look at his dedication. People who work hard on the program are the ones who get solid long-term results. Now my client has nailed down his meals, and in his own words, Akash, I can probably eat these meals for a very long time. They're tasty, easy to prep, and most importantly, I get 0 cravings after consuming them. Thank you. So when you work with me, I educate you, I empower you. After 3 to 6 months, most of my clients don't need me anymore because they have learned the system. The process becomes second nature. Yes, after that, you may need some fine tuning here and there, and I'm always there for that. So comment coach if you're serious about losing that extra fat and want to transform in the next 3 to 6 months. Number 2, workouts that build strength, not just burn calories. Let me be blunt. Abs are made in kitchen. You can't crunch your way to a flat belly. You need strength training, and you don't need a gym, a kettlebell, a few pair of dumbbells, or even your own body weight. That's enough. Along with that, you need to walk at least 5,000 steps a day. You need to build mobility and flexibility, maybe even bring in yoga or a sport you love. It's about consistency and burning at least 300 calories a day through movement that does not feel like punishment. Number 3, your lifestyle is the game changer. In the Fabulous Body Coaching Program, you get access to a powerful app. And depending on your goals, we start with the 21-day mini challenges. Poor sleep, you're on a sleep challenge. Struggling with cortisol or insulin resistance, there's a challenge for that too. Over time, you build real habits. Habits that don't disappear after the program ends. And that's why other programs or diets fail. They give you a plan you can never sustain. Once it ends, you go back to your old habits. And the weight, it comes right back. In fact, a study in the New York Times shows that over 90% of people who lose weight gain it all back within a year. Most gain even more. Number 4, tracking for awareness, not perfection. Tracking isn't about being perfect, it's about building awareness. Every day, my app sends you a short form. You log your meals, your energy, and your habits. Because here's the truth, awareness creates alignment. Alignment leads to results. Motivation fades, but systems, they stick. Number 5, you need a coach who shows up for you. You see, fat loss isn't linear. You'll hit roadblocks, you'll plateau, and when that happens, most people quit. But that's when you need someone in your corner. A good coach tweaks the process. A great coach keeps the vision alive for you. Coaching isn't just about science, it's an art. It's knowing when to push, when to pause, when to say you're doing great, keep going. And at Fabulous Body, we don't just offer certifications to help you build a wellness career, we also offer holistic coaching to help you achieve true fat loss, the kind where your health improves with your body. So if you want to be coached by me personally, the first step is simple. Let's hop on a quick 15-minute consultation call. If you're serious, drop a comment saying coach and I'll reach out. Until next time, I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time.